I love bringing my friends out to the field and getting them to jump into the tractors. She's a little nervous, but she's gonna be okay. Lots of activity in the field. Avery's chopping down the stalks. Kevin's combining. Coming down the last row. Looks pretty cool. Last row of the side of the field anyway. And there comes Steve, bringing one truck to drop. Then he's gonna pick up the other one. Glad that we have that field to park on, because otherwise we'd be right on the road here. There he is. Gonna park it in front of this one so we don't get further away from the field. It might look as if you're seeing double, but we just happen to have two trucks that match each other. There's Avery over there plugging away. Right up against the irrigator. And then right across the road we got Kevin still combining. Sometimes it's like this where we have everybody right in the same place. We just happen to be right on top of chopping right now. And here comes my ride. Gonna take you for a ride in the truck. How's it been going driving back and forth here, Steve?
It's going fine, one load at a time.
So you're taking a lot of loads out today, huh?
A lot of loads.
This one's a little nicer, closer to the farm.
Yeah. Like I was telling Marilyn earlier, I said it's almost too close. It's pretty easy to happen.
Well, when you're bringing in this much corn in one day.
That's right.
So he climbed up and checked out the bin.
Yeah, that's what he wanted to do, is go up and check it out. Got a couple, well, this one guy here left a gravity box. He's going to get corn for burning in his stove.
Oh. So do we ring the doorbell?
He's married to a Christian.